Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get more space from your delays. It's an interesting technique. You can use it to create fake reverb if you like. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. So I'm using Waves Tom 2. I have a wah on one side and I have added a delay on the other one. I will make sure it's synchronized. Let's reduce our feedback a little bit. I've also created a return track in Ableton and we are using Ableton's stock delay. We're going to send a portion of that guitar to our return track. First thing I'm going to do on the left hand side, I'm gonna set it to a quarter note. And let's do an eighth note on the other side. Let's listen to this. Actually, I'm going to set the left to half note and I'm going to set the right to a quarter note. I'm going to feed that directly to an auto panner and we'll set it to a 16th note. And now let's listen to this. Here is before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.